Imagine waking up richer than you were when you went to bed, not just once, but every single day. Most of us trade our time directly for money, but what if you could build systems that work for you around the clock? In this video, we're not just listing ideas. We're breaking down 5 real passive income streams you can start building in 2025. First, print on demand. The concept is simple. You create designs, and a partner company puts them on products like shirts, mugs, or posters. You handle the fun part, the creativity. When a customer orders, your partner company prints, packs, and ships it directly to them. You don't touch a single box. There's no inventory, no shipping hassle, and no major upfront cost. You just collect a profit on each sale. To start, you can use platforms like Redbubble or connect services like Printful to your own online store. The key to success? Find a niche you're passionate about, whether it's vintage cars, book lovers, or specific dog breeds. Second, dividend investing. Think of it as getting paid just for being a part owner of a successful company. When you buy a dividend stock, you're entitled to a share of the company's profits. These payments, or dividends, are usually distributed quarterly. It's one of the most passive forms of income, as your money is literally making money without any active work from you. Getting started is easy with modern brokerage apps. For beginners, a great option is to invest in a dividend ETF. This is a single fund that holds hundreds of dividend-paying stocks, automatically diversifying your investment and reducing your risk. Idea number 3, selling digital products. This is about packaging your knowledge or creative skills into a downloadable format. We're talking ebooks, online courses, digital planners, photo presets, or even music packs. This is the create once, sell forever model. You invest your time up front to create a high-quality product. Once it's done, you can sell an infinite number of copies without any extra effort. You can sell your products on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, which handle payment processing for a small fee. Or, for full control, you can sell them directly from your own website. Start with a skill you already have and a problem you can solve for others. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission for recommending other people's products or services. You're essentially a helpful connector. The key to affiliate marketing is trust. You build an audience through a blog, a social media account, or a YouTube channel, and then recommend products you genuinely believe in. When your audience makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get paid. You can start by joining large affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, or by looking for programs offered by your favorite brands. Remember, only recommend products you would use yourself. Authenticity is everything. Finally, number 5, the bedrock of passive income. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. This isn't a get-rich-quick method. It's a get-rich-smart and steady method. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high SAAs offer significantly higher interest rates, meaning your money grows much faster just by sitting there. It's the perfect place to park your emergency fund or short-term savings while still beating inflation. CDs are similar, but you agree to lock your money away for a specific term, from a few months to several years, often for an even higher fixed interest rate. It's a great option if you know you won't need that specific cash for a while. From creative pursuits to smart investing, these 5 ideas offer a clear path to building an income that isn't tied to your time. The journey starts with choosing one and taking the first step. If you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe to Animated Assets for more easy-to-understand financial strategies. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. Now go build your future.